Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get a realistic or plus size body in Berry Avenue. So if you want a curvier, more realistic plus size body in Berry Avenue, you can just follow this easy tutorial to achieve that perfect look. So here, what you need to do is just open the Berry Avenue and go to the avatar menu, this one. Tap on a menu again and tap on body. Here click on the second icon, the body icon, and now in the search bar you can just search for ghosted. Search for it. Now click on the first one and select only the legs and torso. Sorry, not that one. Okay, after that you can just find the word blush. Here select the first one again and now get the arms like this. Click on done, and that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.